Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you very pretty and very simple party wear items. Okay, so the one is linen and one is silk and the next one is cotton. Okay, totally we will be showing you 3 items today. All are very pretty items and these items are available on our website. If you like to book any of this item, kindly to log into our website which is www.shriyadaCottonhouse.com or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. Now let me show you the items one by one. The first item is a linen item. Okay, so this is a linen cotton top. Okay, so it's a pink color linen cotton top with a beautiful thread work in the yoke portion. Okay, so this is how the work will be. All these are complete hand work. Okay, the fabric is linen cotton. So in this we have got 4 colors, all are beautiful colors, pastel combos. So this is beautiful pink. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting a beautiful thread work in the yoke portion, remaining everything will be plain. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a same color sand tone bottom with this. Okay, so this is the bottom you will be getting, and you will be getting a plain chiffon dupatta with the hangings. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. It's a plain chiffon dupatta. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1225 with free shipping. It's a linen cotton top with a sand tone bottom and a plain chiffon dupatta priced only for 1225 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is pink and the next one is beautiful green color. Very pretty green this is. Okay, usually we won't be getting this type of green. So this is a beautiful green with a beautiful thread work in the yoke portion. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Such a pretty green color linen cotton top this is, and you will be getting a same color sand tone bottom, plain bottom with this, and this is the dupatta. It's a plain, very lengthy, soft chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set will be. So this set is priced only for 1225 with free shipping. So the next is beautiful yellow, light yellow color this is. Okay. So this is how the top will be. It's a light yellow color. Fabric is linen cotton, and you will be getting a plain sand tone bottom with this. And this is the dupatta, plain chiffon dupatta, priced only for 1225 with free shipping. Okay, so this is how the set will be. Looks very pretty, neat and elegant when you stitch and wear it. And the next one is again a beautiful blue color. All the colors in this are very good actually. So this is a beautiful light blue color this is. So we have got pink, green, yellow and this is blue. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Beautiful blue color linen cotton top with a same color plain sand tone bottom, and this is the dupatta. It's a plain chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set will be. So this set is priced only for 1225 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item is a silk item. It's a soft silk top. You will be getting a beautiful crochet lace work in the yoke portion. Okay, and the body portion has got a polka dot prints. Okay, you will be getting complete polka dot prints, and the fabric is soft silk. So this is how the top will be. It's a soft silk top with a beautiful crochet lace work in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting a crochet lace work in the daman as well. Okay, so this is how the top will be. The back portion will be plain. There won't be any printing work. Only in the front portion you will be getting the printing work, and this comes with a plain cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and with this you will be getting a beautiful soft silk dupatta with a beautiful embroidery. Okay, so you will be getting a crochet lace work on all the 4 sides, and this comes with a beautiful embroidery in the middle as well. Okay, so this is how the set looks. Very pretty item, priced only for 1290 with free shipping. It's a soft silk top with a soft silk dupatta and a plain cotton bottom, priced only for 1290. In this also we have got beautiful colors. So this is light yellow, and the next one is pink color. Okay, so this is how the yoke portion will be with a beautiful lace work. So the fabric is soft silk. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a pink color, beautiful pink color soft silk top with a beautiful crochet lace work in both the yoke portion and also in the daman, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom with this. Okay, and this is the dupatta. Very, very beautiful dupatta this is. Looks very pretty when you stitch and wear it actually. Okay. So you will be getting a very lengthy dupatta with a crochet lace work. Okay. You will be getting crochet lace work on all the 4 sides. Priced only for 1290 with free shipping. So the next one is light green, light pista green this is. Okay. So this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a polka dot prints all over the top. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a light green color soft silk fabric with a beautiful crochet lace work. You will be getting both in the daman and also in the yoke portion. Okay, so you will be getting a plain cotton bottom with this, and this is the dupatta. Dual shaded soft silk dupatta. This is with the crochet lace work and printing work and as well as embroidery work. Okay. Priced only for 1290 with free shipping. We have got one more color, that's beautiful onion pink. Okay, so this is a very, very rare color. Actually, it's a light onion pink color. Okay, so this is the color you will be getting. So this is how the top will be. It's a light onion pink color, soft silk top with a plain cotton bottom. Okay, so you will be getting a printing work only in the front portion. The back portion will be plain. Okay, and this is the dupatta. You will be getting a completely printed and embroidered soft silk dupatta. Such a beautiful color, priced only for 1290 with free shipping. Okay, let's move on to the next item. So the next item is a cotton item. It's a pure cotton top. Okay, with the beautiful handwork in the yoke portion. All these are complete sugar beads work you will be getting. Okay, I hope you could see this. It's a very, very beautiful sugar beads work, and all these are complete weaving pattern. Okay, so this is a very pretty item. The fabric is very, very soft. It's a pure cotton top. This is, it's a grey color, dark elephant grey color, pure cotton top. This is. Okay, so only this is the embroidery work. Remaining everything are weaving pattern. Okay, so this is how the top will be. With this, you will be getting a dark maroon color plain cotton bottom. So this is how the top looks. So you will be getting the embroidery work, the yoke portion, and with this you will be getting a soft silk dupatta with the beautiful sequence work. Okay, so you will be getting sequence work all over the dupatta. So this is how the set will be. Beautiful item, grey with maroon color, dark. This is not black. This is a dark elephant grey color, pure cotton top with a beautiful handwork in the yoke portion. With this you will be getting a plain cotton bottom, dark maroon color bottom, and this is the dupatta. It's a soft silk dupatta, the complete sequence work, priced only for 1075 with free shipping. So this is a single color item. We don't have colors in this. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye all.